Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So now today, I'm recording this video just for you guys who's been asking me how to install this. I have like 2 or 3 videos on my YouTube channel. But since I have a lot of videos myself, I don't know where to get it from. So I just decided to record it again so everyone can have it in his way to know how to install this. So as you can see, I have the killer full file installed here. So in order for you guys to understand how to install this, I will just go ahead and delete each and every indicator that is here. You know, the killer is a combination of different indicators together. So as you can see, we have our chart empty here. We have our naked chart here. You can see that we have nothing, complete nothing. So in order for you to start, you need to have MT4 application in your PC according to the broker that you use. Any MT4 of your broker's choice. This doesn't work with MT5. There's some other things for MT5 for users of MT5. So now before you do anything, you just start by opening your Dekira file and copy everything together, because we are going to check where to paste them. Before you start, you need to copy your file, your indicators, because there will be no going back, right? So now what you will do after copying your indicators, you will just come to your your broker's application. Myself, I use XM. Now you will just go ahead in the left corner above there, you click on file. Then you will just scroll down to the open data folder, you double click on it, and you wait for a few seconds. You wait for a few seconds before the uh, window get opened. you know so now you will just scroll down and look for M2L4. Then you double click on it, then you scroll down to the indicators. After going to the indicators, now what we do is to copy your folder here. you know is to copy your folder here. Then after copying your folder here, then I mean um, to paste, not to copy, to paste your folder here. After pasting your folder here, then you will just close your folder. After closing your folder, we come back to your broker's app. Then you just click on your keyboard, Control plus N. After doing that, you will see in the left corner that we have a small window that's been opened. Then go ahead and refresh it. You may refresh it with F5, but it's better to refresh it with your keyboard, with your mouse. Just click on the right side as usual, then you will see refresh here, then you refresh. After refreshing here, now you will see that your stuff are here. You can see support and resistance, you can see the killer, you can see supply and demand, you can see confirmation. That's all you need, and you can see this buy signal also. So what we do, you will start by taking one by one to your screen, then you click OK. See, after taking that buy signal RDR, you can see that it shows up the entry point and buy, which means we could have bought from here if it shows up early. And you saw my video yesterday. I bought early on this area, and you saw the results. So the secondary, just there's a lot of things here. Then we just go down, right? Scroll down, and here's SR confirmation. Also, you do the same. You fill up these windows, then you do the same. you can see that we have our supporters and the resistances confirmation. It just gives you this blue arrow from down as a sign of buying time or changing direction time. When it is in downtrend, you can see it shows a red arrow, which is a big arrow with these two lines. I don't know which car is this. Then you know that direction is being changed. But do you remember what I said about time frames? You need to remember that, because even 5 minutes have the same thing, you can see. So you know that always a bigger time frames controls small time frame. So after this, then you will just go to the supply and demand, then you fill up here, and then here we have, here we have our supply and demands. You can see if we goes to, let me just go to bigger time frames, then you can see that we have supplies and demands, right? So now the next thing we do is support and resistance. You fill up everything, then you just do this. So if you can check, there is more zones that comes in with the numbers. And then here's the killer. You just put the killer and fill up here, then bam, you know. So you can see that we have installed everything with a short time, you know. So now after opening your app, sometimes you won't see uh, your pairs. If you don't see your pairs, just go to the view, click on the view left corner up there next to file, then goes down here, scroll down to market watch, or press Ctrl plus M to your keyboard. Then here your pair will be here, you know. If sometimes you don't see um, the time frames, now you will just go here to the view and scroll down toolbars, just go there and check is the time frame. So you need to click on those. This one must be filled up, or because we need them, you know. Then you comes back here. Then if you want to analyze the pair, you just go to the pair you want. Let's say you're a chief, then you take it from there to your screen. Then leave it there and see what the killer talks about, you know. After that, then it will show you what is going on with the from 1 minute to 5 minutes to any time frame that you want. If you have stable network, stable internet, then it will be so fast to analyze and shows you what is going on. Oh, sorry, I forgot momentum. Let's put momentum also. Here is our momentum. So also momentum will be found in the right corner above there, which shows you how powerful the sellers are, or the buyers are. So you will see the percentage of the momentum of the power bulls have, or the sellers has. So my people, I think this is all you need to know, because I've been explaining how the killer works. So I think now everyone understand how to install it. If you have any question, then don't hesitate to ask me. You know, my WhatsApp is still the same, or reach me out through my Telegram. You know where to find me, or the email also. You can find me anywhere, or just go to the comment section below here on my YouTube. Then ask me the question that you want to ask, or go to TikTok or to Facebook. Then find me there, send me a message. Then I'll be able to know what you want to know, and then I know where to start from helping you guys. So enjoy your weekend wherever you are. Jay loves you all, guys.